Good morning, I'm Blair McNeil from the Madison Group. We're at our Madison, Yonge and Eglinton project. It's been about a year since we did a video diary here, and at that point in time I was standing in this position on the raft slab. A lot of work's been done since then, and I'd like to show you where we are now. We're passing through the P3 level of our parking garage. All the concrete work is basically complete, and we're now doing plumbing rough-ins for drainage and things like that. There's still a lot going on in the building underground as we continue to build up. Behind me is actually the main transformer vault for the building, and our electrical trade is in there right now putting the transformer together for the final power of the building. So here we are, we're back at ground floor. It's been almost a year to get here. In that time, we've poured about 21,000 cubic meters of concrete. That equals about 3,000 concrete trucks. As well, we've put in about 2,300 tons of reinforcing steel into the building. That equates to about 1,500 car weights. Behind me is where the men are working on the retail floor, the ground floor retail. Where I'm standing right now will end up being the cash register area for Loblaws once it's completed. To the right is our first residential floor that's being constructed now. It's a major milestone for the project because it is the first of the floors where we will have suites for people to live in. All these white pipes that we have coming up through the floor, we actually call them sleeves. And they're put here because we run all the plumbing, electrical, and heating pipes through them for the suites. So they come up into the walls and suites and then get distributed. These pipes actually stack up on each floor, so they all line up vertically from one to the next. So once we pour the concrete on this floor, the sleeve will actually leave a hole in the floor that allows us to do all of our plumbing and electrical rough-ins. I'm Blair McNeil from the Madison Group. It's been great to give you this update on our project, and we'll speak to you soon.